हूँ मेघना कौशिक और मैं हूँ लहरे के साथ, और आज हम देखेंगे कि जो लिपस्टिक है, आई थिंक वुमेन डोंट नीड अ लॉट ऑफ मेकअप. लिपस्टिक एक ऐसी चीज़ होती है वुमेन मेकअप में जो अकेले भी यूज़ करो ना, इट्स एज गुड एज वेयरिंग अ लॉट ऑफ मेकअप. आई विल शो यू हाउ. This is a small peekaboo into my lipstick collection. I have a whole variety of lipsticks. This is a beautiful shade that I've created out of just a lip pencil. This is from Faces. I love this brand because इनका जो प्रोडक्ट होता है वो बहुत क्रीमी और स्टिल बहुत एक मैट लुक देता है. आई लव दिस पॉप पिंक बिकॉज पॉप पिंक कैन गो विद प्लेन कलर्स. मैं बहुत सॉलिड कलर्स पहनती हूँ, वेदर इट्स वाइट्स, वेदर इट्स येलोज, वेदर इट्स ब्लू ब्लैक्स. समर्स में जो भी प्लेन कलर है उस पर अगर आप एक पॉप प्रिटी पिंक डालोगे, आई थिंक दैट वर्क्स वंडर्स. आई हैव काइंड ऑफ बिग लिप्स, सो फिर फोकस यूजुअली अगर आपकी लिपस्टिक ब्राइट होती है, सो इट इज़ राइट हियर ऑन योर लिप्स. एंड I usually, this is like a nude brown lip gloss. So I usually just put this all over my lips and I top it up with this Bobbi Brown lip gloss. It's slightly glittery. So when it, you finally wear it, so there's a little bit of a gloss. So if I'm going out for a meeting or for a cup of coffee, day wear ke liye, this color is perfect. There's a small trick that I've learned. I will share that with you. What I usually do is when I want to pop the lip color that I'm wearing, I get a nude pencil, and after doing my base I just do a nude pencil all over my lips, and then I use another color to define my lips, so I can actually change the shape of my lips by doing that. Now let's go on to the colors. Okay, they're all creamy textures. This is a beautiful color, and this is like a deep maroon red. I don't wear a lot of makeup, so अगर मुझे बिल्कुल कम मेकअप के साथ कहीं पे फटाफट तैयार होकर निकलना होता है and I just have maybe like 5 minutes, तो मैं अपने अंडर आइज करती हूँ, अपने आईब्राउज करती हूँ because I have big eyebrows, and I pop a good lip color. So this is right now my go-to lip color. It looks rich and this actually is very hydrating. तो ये काफ़ी घंटों भी I don't feel the need to put a lip balm or a lip gloss, and this lasts for a very long time without fading away. इसी ब्रांड का एक और कलर है which I'm obsessed with. This one is again from L'Oreal, and this is called Cherries in the Snow. It's actually a very very beautiful mix of red and a pink. So it's pop. So for summers, if you want to just have attention go to your lips, you can wear this color. I wear a lot of this with plain solids. मैं whites के साथ इसको बहुत पहनती हूँ, with light blue, grey. I think I have a lot of these light grey t-shirts that I wear, or like a khaki green. This color goes with everything. Now for everyday wear, now for my meetings and for my auditions and castings, sometimes they don't want us to wear a lot of makeup, but फिर भी उतना makeup जितना आपका screen पे natural लगता है. So this color, I was actually looking for this shade in so many bigger brands and I couldn't find it. This is a perfect shade of peach and nude, and for my skin type, ये shade works brilliant. And I love this brand of Faces because this is very very hydrating. Actually, if I just do a brown lip liner and I put this shade, it actually just feels कि मैंने lip balm लगाया है और कुछ नहीं लगाया है. People can't even tell that I'm wearing a lip color. Actually, when you wear this shade, you can play a lot more with your eyes, with your eyebrows. You can actually do a lot more blush, but आपका lips को ये बिल्कुल tone down रखेगा. Then, okay. This is another one from Faces again. I think मुझे ना Faces को endorse कर लेना चाहिए. So I love this color. This is orange but not orange. This is kind of like a peach orange, और ये I love this because it makes me feel fresh, और ये मेरे skin tone पे बहुत amazing लगता है. No, I'm not. मैं अपनी तारीफ नहीं कर रही हूँ, but literally this is a beautiful shade. It's actually very fresh looking, और जो एक थोड़ा golden cocoa सा glow हो जाता है summers में, because when you're sweating and all of that, I don't apply this like that. I just dab it a little bit. तो उसको dab करके I just use my fingers and I let the lip color settle in. And I'm not even joking, it looks phenomenal. It's a beautiful peach orange. So that's a go-to color. Then I have a lot of shades from MAC, but this one is my favorite pink. This is actually a natural pink. It looks very, very dark, but when you wear it, it's barely any pink. Actually, it depends on how you wear it. So this color is a beautiful pink. I wear it with prints, because prints ke saath if you wear a bright color or a very bold color, then it becomes too much. So you want to keep it simple, you want to keep it fresh. So if you're wearing like a floral dress and it's summer, so a lot of us love floral, pink, it's your go-to color. It's my daytime go-to color, and actually I can wear this with a nude lip pencil, and this is great for camera also. What else? This one looks beautiful. This one actually my mom gifted me. This was I think about 2 years back. She was always complaining you don't have a right red color lipstick. And I said, no mom, I have a lot of lipstick. She says, nahi, but तुम्हारे पास एक अच्छी red color की lipstick नहीं है. So she gave me this. This is from a brand called Oriflame में Girdani. And as you can see, there is a beautiful red color. And it's so hydrating. It's so hydrating that it feels really, really good on your lips, and it's very, very bright. Which else? This is from Maybelline, and this is like a dirty pink, but this is actually a lifesaver. This is a very, very light colored pink, and if you wear it with just a little bit of lip balm and just like dab a little bit, it's as if it's your normal lip color. I usually wear it with light colors like whites and yellows and light blues. So this is a very, very fresh looking color. Just do a little bit of mascara, just do a blush. If you want to do your eyebrows, please do your eyebrows, and put on this pink lipstick. So I was someone who was very afraid to experiment with dark colors. मुझे पता नहीं था कि dark colors कैसे दिख सकते हैं. और मुझे, when I used to see people on screen wearing really dark colors, I thought, पता नहीं कैसा लगेगा. Till I bought this lipstick. And this changed my life. I'm not even joking. So this was a show called Love, Lust and Confusion, where I'm playing Nikita's character. And the best thing about this lip color is that if you wear it in the night time with just beautifully done lashes and brows, this color with lip gloss looks fabulous. I think the last one that I'm going to show you is this. This is again by Faces, and this is sort of like a purple pink. Actually, it's purple. But it's beautiful. It's so creamy, and दिखता ही बहुत dark है. But again, आपकी application पे depend करता है कि आप कितना dark इसको apply करते हैं. So I would love to know कि आपको ये segment कैसा लगा. मैंने आपको बहुत सारे shades दिखाए हैं. Please tell me आप लोगों का सबसे favorite shade उनमें से कौन सा था, और उसको आप कैसे style करोगे. अगर आप college जा रहे हो, या shopping जा रहे हो, या movie पे जा रहे हो, which is that one shade. And of course, I think एक वो हम सबका एक favorite shade होता है, at least एक time के लिए, जो हम बहुत पहनते हैं. So I would love to know आपका वो आजकल कौन सा शेड है जो आपका बहुत पहन रहे हो, and tell me आप उसे कैसे स्टाइल करना चाहोगे.